What's up, my YouTube friends, family, associates? Let's have a good time today. I got a killer van behind me. This thing has a ton of stuff on it, so we're gonna be hanging out for a little while, just talking about all the craziness that's on this Ford Econoline. So let's jump into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with the big main thing that we did, and of course you can tell that this has a lift kit on it, and the horn definitely works on that truck over there. We're gonna talk about this. This is our Baja grocery getter kit. This is gonna have a 6-inch kit on it. Actually, now, sorry, I'm going to lie to you. From now on, we are just calling this a 5-inch kit because you're getting 5 inches of lift out of this kit. So coils in the front, Fox shocks in the front, the extended radius arms. Now let's talk about this right here. This is something that I don't think we've ever seen on a Ford van, and these are the method wheels, but this is actually an NV, and this is a true bead lock wheel, which is always cool. I mean, who doesn't want a real set of bead locks on their van? So in addition to this is a 17-inch wheel, but this is a 315/70/17 tire. So we do have, this is basically equivalent to like a 35-inch tire on this Ford van. Now, of course, we have a ton of room up here in the front because we're running this aluminous bumper on it, but you can also see is still with the fender flares in the back, we're not gonna have any rubbing, and this is going to have a ton of space back here, which is going to be really, really nice. So, in addition to the Fox steering stabilizer, I mean, who doesn't want that? As soon as we start making the video, someone else wants to park where we're hanging out. So that's it for the front of this. Definitely cool, and this did have somebody else's lift kit on it already, and we just kind of changed it all up to get a little bit more height out of it. And I guess while we're talking about the lift kit, I mean, let's just finish this off. So this does have a build out in the inside. This also has the high top. There is a lot of weight going on here. What we did to the back of this is also we added a custom set of springs to get us the whole lift out of the back. We also added Fox shocks to the rear of this. So now this thing should just be a blast off-road. Probably not that it wasn't before, but we're always trying to make things better here at Weldtec. Now, hey Illuminous, this is a big old shout out for you guys, I guess, because we've totally decked this thing out. This has a ton of Illuminous gear on this van, which is always cool. If you're not familiar with them, we'll put a link down below. But something else to keep in mind, guys, that if you're looking to have maybe our lift kit put on it with all the Illuminous products, we do sell all of Illuminous' products here at Weldtec Designs, as well as install all the Illuminous products. So if it's something that you're looking for, it's something that you need, we may have it in stock here at Weldtec Designs, or if not, we can order it for you and install it. Man, just a mouthful of craziness. So as we do run around to the back of this, you're gonna see this giant Illuminous bumper on there, and it's going to be really cool. You're also gonna see the Illuminous box. Now you can see that he's added a Thule Rack to the top of it so that he can haul all of his mountain bikes up on the top of it. A trasheroo, his spare tire. I mean, all kinds of gear to the back of this, and that's why you can see it was really important to go to this custom set of springs to really handle all the additional weight that has done on the outside, not to mention what has been done to the inside of this. You're also going to know that this is a cool thing. I really wish we could pop this thing out, but this has the OccuCab rack, and what's neat about this is gonna wrap all the way around to the back, something that's really cool, and you don't see on a lot of vans. You see them on a lot of Toyotas and other things. So we're gonna have the roof rack up top. You can also see he's decked this out with a set of Illuminous steps on the side of it, which is always is nice, especially when getting onto the inside, and I will show you the build out on this. But let's just come around and finish this up front. So you can see another Illuminous front bumper on the front of this, along with, this is looking like about a 36-inch, that's about a 30-inch light bar, you know? So a lot of really cool things going on this van, you know, including, you know, winch. Don't block, I gotta block out the license plate. I don't want all you girls stalking this guy, you know? Ernesto, he's the man. This is Ernesto's van. So that's it for the outside. I mean, I guess fender flares, pretty cool. I know a lot of you guys always like running those. And as we open up the doors in here, you're gonna see that this does have a build out on the inside of it. You're also gonna be seeing his old lift kit. I don't know, maybe if somebody reacts quick, he'll have this for sale. I know he's selling this whole kit, and you can get this. So with the pop top even additionally up in the top, which is going to be nice, giving you a lot of room to be able to sleep up on top, and then still keeping this, I mean, this is just a wide open area to hang out and party, which is always nice. So pretty simple on the inside, the build out. He's got his fridge, and I believe there's also solar up top, but you know, just a pretty basic thing. And now when I was opening this to put all of his parts in there, I did notice one thing that he was missing on this, because the door definitely wanted to swing closed, and that was the new door hook that we have now from Weldtec Designs. So he just picked one of those up. He's going to be installing it himself on that door. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll throw up a link to that video, as well as put a link down below where you can go on our website and make a purchase of that for yourself, because you're tired of using a bungee cord. Although I know a bungee cord is cheap and it works, you know, so it's up to you guys. So a ton of things on this, and this is a local customer. So if you guys want to see more on this van, maybe even we'll have to make a trip out to the desert with Ernesto and have some fun with him. But if you guys do have questions, make sure you guys comment down below. I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. I hope you found this video somewhat informative, and that you've already headed over to Growing Up Garage and smash that subscribe button. We have finally reached our goal of 1,000 subscribers, but we're not stopping there. We need to get to 2,000 now. Never done growing. So that's all I've got. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.